Video I will show you how to fix the wolf sound problem. To fix sound problem on the wolf game, just follow this video till the end. Directly open the settings of your phone, click on apps option, and here search for the wolf and click on it. So right now scroll this list down, click storage, click only, clear cache, and back. After that click on force stop and click OK. So go after this to Play Store or App Store and update the wolf. After updating your game, restart now your device, and that's it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and also subscribe, and see you in next tutorial.